Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hey people, good morning. Good morning. Alright, so I'm actually out here. Like not out. I'm here with Roland. Alright, Roland, come and say hello. You shift now, let me carry him.
Hello.
Shift.
Hello.
Shift first. Alright, Roland, say hello. Hello guys. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Ouch. Okay, I had to cut his nail this morning because his nails were long, kind of sharp. So I hold him down. I was holding the nails and he was shaking. Hold on, cut him. How are you, baby? We're actually going out. We want to go and buy. Okay, Fortune, say hello.
Hello.
That's just all you want to say, and you will not allow us to see you. That's all. Okay, so we want to go out. We want to go and get the light unit because we use prepaid over here. So it's actually there is light, but there's light, but we don't have light right now because our light is exhausted. So we want to go and get a paid units, yes, so we can have light in the house. And we're all going Highland, Fortune, and one. Okay, that's good. So hey, we're somewhere. We came here to actually visit someone and the sister and all that. So that's why we're all here since we came out all together to purchase their unit for the month. That's why we're here. Is it bright that way? Right? Focus us from the side. It's perfect. Okay, so we're actually waiting for, because she said she wants to give us. She wants to. Alright guys, so I'll be back. Hey people, good afternoon. Alright, so I don't know what is happening today. Like today, since morning, the network in the phone has been off and on, so I can't even buy data. Like I can't buy data to upload my video. So I'm actually still having some videos I want to upload, but I've not been able to do that because I can't buy data. So invariably I can't even go online. It's been on and off. When the bar comes on, to buy data, just like what I'm doing now. If I want to buy it, it just goes off. And look at that, saying confirm your purchase, confirm your order. Like I don't even know what is happening. The network is so terrible, man. I want to go out and so the thing is that I can't buy credit on my phone and I can't buy data. So it's not just the data, also credits, because if I want to make a call I can't do that. So I have to go out and buy credits manually. It's been so freaking long. I did that, like buy credits to load on my phone. I've even forgotten the how it's been done because it's been close to 2 years. Even when I was working in the hotel, I usually use my phone to buy credit through my bank. So honestly, the network is so bad. I don't know if I should still wait for the network to come up, but this is almost like this is 1 o'clock already. It's not even morning anymore. So I have to go out and get it so I can get data. on my phone, on my Wi-Fi, so I can upload a video. So that's what I've been struggling to do since. Okay, all right, that's come up. All right, it has come up. Okay, so it has come up, and Mastercard. Okay, so let me do that. Let me impute the card number, and not only the card number, and also the stuff. Okay, let me keep the camera here. So I have to put in the card number. I don't want to show you guys. Okay, I'm sure you're not even interested, right? You'll be like, oh no, I'm not interested. Yeah, I know. Okay, it's going. Okay. Okay. That is actually OTP. They are sending me OTP to confirm my payments. So now I would have to go and do that outside. So very simple. Oh, the network has gone again. I hope it's going to work this time. I just hope it's going to work. I just don't like when something stresses me. I honestly don't like it. I don't like when something stresses me. Look at it. The network has gone. Like, it's just one bar. Look at that. Can you imagine? Look at that. There's no connection. Oh my goodness. This is not good. Okay, I have to go outside. You know, maybe when as I was outside, the network was kind of better. So maybe let me stand outside so the network will be better. Anyway, I'll be right back when I'm done purchasing the bottle. Thank you for staying around.
Sorry. So I'm not like chop this past now.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening, mom. Hey people, so it's already evening already, and my day has been so no, thank you. It's raining. Where are these people? Okay, sit down. Oh, they go. It's 4 months. It's 4 months.
And this is we want to go.
Alright, so let me tell you guys how my day was. Yeah, it's been very busy, and I wasn't able to vlog in the car because I was so freaking busy.
And
Roland is say hello people. Look at Okay, so actually, first of all, I went out in the morning time to get some weave on, which I'm actually going to be making a video on this particular wig on my hair. So I'm actually going to be constructing the hair. Okay. Why are you making noise? Oh yeah, come on, make noise for them. Look at them. Oh, say hello people. How are you guys doing?
hello, papers. I'm joining inside.
Okay, that's it. All right, so I'm gonna be making a video
Baby can enter.
on this hair. All right.
So baby can clear his face. But me, my face gonna enter.
Your so that they see the scenes you like that. Okay, so we actually came to church for Saturday conference. We're going to be having like a combined. I have my car.
Okay, you came with your car.
Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so yes, were you waiting for Sister Sarah? Ah, she was calling you. We wanted to even invite you for the meeting, so that was why she was calling you.
I want to step for this.
Okay, it's actually raining, but I think the rain is not so much. But we're still going to be on our way because we can't afford to be here. Okay, no more. I know the house of the Lord is where we can stay all through, but we're done. Say hello, people. Bishop, good evening, sir. Say hello, people. Hello, people. Okay, so we're leaving right now. Let's drive home. I'm hungry. What about the food that you guys brought? You don't eat them? See, he listened. Alright, so bye guys. Say bye guys.
See you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Yep. Alright, my beautiful people. Alright, so I'm actually just coming back from church. I couldn't vlog while going because, yes, I just remember something now. Because the stand that I used to keep my camera, broke. So I had to buy a new one. So I'm just about fixing the stand, okay, so I can be able to vlog while in the car, because you guys know that it's not possible to vlog while driving, and also holding the camera. So you just have to choose one over one. You know what I mean? You choose one over one. So I have to drive, then vlog later. So I have to fix the stand, the camera stuff that I use in vlogging, in my car, so I can be able to vlog again in the car. I think it broke yesterday evening, and I've not been able to fix it since then. Although I bought one and it's very pretty, so I needed to install it there. Okay, so I'm actually looking for something to install it. I just remembered now, so I have to go and install that stuff. So today's Sunday service was good. It was very inspiring. We talked about being honest. We talked about fellowshipping, and we talked about friendshipping and all of those stuff. So Roland and Fortune actually didn't come to church with us today, but we went alone and it was fun. Alright, let me go and fix that. Let me go and install that stuff on that stuff. So on that I'm so freaking used to saying stuff, right? Sometimes it happens. So let me look for what to go and fix that stand for. So we're gonna talk later, but for now, be good. Be good. That's it, baby. Be good. The mirror for the first time. Look at Roland. Look at him. He's just looking at himself. I'm like, what is happening? Why am I seeing myself? Why am I seeing myself? What is happening here? Look at you. Look at you. You. Oh yeah, go close. Go close. Go close. Look at you, twin brother. Oh my god. Okay, he just finished eating right now. Go close. Go close. Put your head together. Oh my god, look at you, twin brother. Twin brother. Hey, what up, people? Alright, so as you guys would know, today is Sunday and it is evening already, and yup guys, it's one of the days where I go out, you know, to do some beautiful visitation, like visiting some, you know, good people, some very special people, some very exciting and lively people, and oh my god, okay, those kids are actually making me, okay, no. So that's why I'm here, guys. I just want to do a little bit, like a snap of a visit, like a very sharp one, and go back home. All right, guys. So yeah, my cousin is actually going back today. You know, she's been around with me for some days now, and it was very lively. Well, I'm not saying that when nobody's around is dull, because there's no dull moment around me. No dull moments. Yup, guys. And because usually, you know, I kind of I'm usually occupied with my editing, my making of videos, my work. Like, it's time consuming when you do this stuff, like like a career. It's time consuming, right? Anyway, guys, so but they are going today. The house is gonna go back to just I and Alfred. But yep, it's all good. It's all good. I was having fun when they were around, because we chat, we chase, I play with Roland, I play with Fortune, and you know, it was really exciting and very interesting. Alright guys, so let me go. I might not be able to vlog again because this is past 6 p.m. West African time. Yup. So it's gonna be pretty dark, so I'm not gonna be vlogging again. So we're gonna be seeing again tomorrow, most definitely. All right, let me grab my phones and grab my key and go. Happy Sunday, guys. Bye.